Skilled Facility Advisors presents Housekeeping Excellence. It's about achieving the ultimate in housekeeping for less than your current costs. On a dish, we call it food. On a carpet, we call it soil. You have dry soil removal done with a broom, a dust mop, a duster, or a vacuum cleaner. Wet soil removal can be done with a carpet extractor, a wet mop, a spray and wipe procedure, a power washer, or just a water vacuum picking up soiled water. A cleaning program that delivers superb results can eliminate the need for labor-intensive special cleanings. Spots are soil buildup areas that can be washed away. Stains are surface color changes that cannot be washed away. Washing is moving soil from where it is not wanted to where it's okay down the drain. Soil is home and food for germs, and germs travel with the soil. Chemical action is when you apply a washing solution into soil and remove everything by using a cloth, mop, or a vacuum. You can add mechanical action to the process, and that's done by adding abrasion, water pressure, or brushing to improve the results and or get the results in less time. Nature has only three soils: acid, alkaline, and binders. Most acid and alkaline soils dissolve in water, such as sugar, flour, yeast, eggs, and then get mixed in with the cleaning solution. Soils that get partially dissolved or broken up by a detergent are called soil particulates. Binders are grease, oils, animal fats. They are sticky and do not mix with water. To get binders to mix with water, they need to be emulsified, that is, chemically split up into microscopic sized pieces. Once emulsified, the binders then will mix with water. Most acid soils enter a facility from outdoors and are tracked throughout a building. You need to use alkaline detergents to wash the acid soils. Alkaline soils are found in toilets, urinals, showers, drinking fountains, sinks, bathroom walls, and fixtures. The most predominant types of alkaline soils are soap scum or soap film and mineral deposits coming from the water. You use acid detergents to wash alkaline soils. A swimming pool deck will achieve washing excellence when you use the acid cleaner, and that will help prevent slipping and keeps surfaces sanitary. The disadvantages of using hot water for washing are that hot water causes binders to melt and thus release the soils they're holding. Released soils will then move freely in the washing solution. As the heat transfers from the water to the cooler surface being washed, some of the melted and sticky binders will reattach and begin grabbing soil from the solution. After a surface dries, binders remain sticky and continue to collect and add new soils, And as the soil collection increases, odors, slippery floors, and ugliness intensifies. Emulsified binders remain sticky and continue to hold on to soil. Cold washing solution causes binders to float away from the wash surface or fibers with a strong grip on the soil they are holding on to. Binders and soil will then float to the top of the cold water as you see in this picture. Teach using a logical format. Logical facts are most easy to remember. Use skill-building training methods to improve job quality and worker confidence. Improve problem-solving techniques by starting your process at the root of the problem and then work up from there. Only use high-performance products. Product and labor costs will drop substantially. Our housekeeping system will help employees build self-confidence. The system nurtures team spirit and pride. And the system markedly reduces your overall costs. Here's some results achieved by our housekeeping system users. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to call the number below, and our technical service advisor will answer all of your questions. And again, thank you.